Oh, so that's
Woodpeckers did that.
woodpecker.
And they live in
then
woodpecker holes.
And the ducks is laying eggs there, huh?
Yeah. So they could have thrown out some woodpecker eggs. I heard that. You heard that piloted woodpecker back about half hour ago, right?
4.
I see.
One,
Well, there's some that are healed right here.
2.
Look at.
It's a good duck.
Yeah, the other one you can't see.
Mm-hmm.
Chicks can't fly, only like 2 days old, and they fall out.
Oh.
They don't get hurt.
Yeah, there's another one there.
Good eye to catch them. What, did you catch them while they were landing?
Another one.